Have you ever seen an entire apartment building shining in red and gold? On Vietnam's national days, from April 30th, September 2nd, to Lunar New Year, families proudly hang the national flag from their balconies. It's not just decoration. It's a symbol of unity, of national pride. Hundreds of red flags waving together transform the building into a living festival of colors. The sight fills the air with joy, excitement, and respect. Each flag carries the memory of those who sacrificed for freedom. Hanging the flag is not only tradition, it is gratitude. This is Vietnam, a nation where even balconies tell the story of love for the homeland.